Don't you think it's easy to get seduced by, I don't know if I want to call it a windfall, but you're riding the wave and it's like being in a white hot flow. It's like you kind of, I don't want to say you lose your mind for a little bit, but you just think, shit, I want to enjoy this. And I think, or I guess I'd rather ask you, do you feel like people get seduced by that? And I don't know, it's kind of like you're in a happy fog and it's easier to just stay in that place.
I think that's a great thought. What came to mind, and I'm not a big fan, but it just immediately the mental image was Charlie Sheen saying winning. And that
Right? Until he wasn't.
yeah, and that's the kind of moment that, yeah. And again, it really, the acid test question is, okay, you're changing fortunes. Can you actually point to anything you did to change it, or was it changed around you? Because if you didn't do anything different,
Good one.
and you didn't do anything different, be thankful. I
Mm-hmm.
think we should all have a thankful spirit. It's a healthy way to live.
Yeah.
Um, be grateful to your team. Don't say you guys didn't do anything. I'm talking to the owners now. This is how you talk to your team. You tell your team, great job, fantastic. And also it is a great job to keep up, but it also means that you have to keep your head in the good times and in the bad times.